Welcome. My name is Constance Bowen, and I am the Department Chair for Engineering and Information Technology Programs here at CCCC. Today, we will talk about how to upload and download files from your OneDrive. This is extremely important for CIS 110 because you will be working inside of the Office Online applications for this course. So you will see that I am already logged in to office.com. If you are unsure on how to create your account, please see the previous video in which I talk about how to create your Office Online account and how to access it. But once you have, you need to be able to work with your OneDrive. So alongside your applications here on the left, you will also see an icon for your OneDrive. This is where you will upload and download your files to be turned in for the course. So in here, you will see pretty easy, right? You'll see this option to upload files from your computer. So in your Blackboard, you will see in your somewhat later modules, you will start seeing SAM projects. So when you click on that, you're going to be navigated out to MindTap. Once your MindTap window loads, you will see your setup for your project. We're going to click on Start. Here you will see your instruction file and your start file. So you're going to need both of those. You can open the instruction file in a separate window, or you can open it and print it. So we're going to open our instruction file and we're going to save that to our downloads. And we're also going to download our start file and save that to our downloads as well. Now in your OneDrive, we need to upload the start file. You may or may not need to upload the instruction file as well to open it if you don't have anything on your computer that can open that file. So we're going to go in here and we're going to select our start file and we're going to click open. At that point, that file will be uploaded into your OneDrive. Here you will see it's been successfully uploaded. You see it was modified a few seconds ago and who it was modified by, and that is a private file because we are not sharing it. So from here, we are going to navigate into Word and we're going to open our file, or we can open it from OneDrive. Let's just do that. We're going to open and we can open that in our browser. So there we have the option. If you are working on a mobile device, you can also open in the app. Okay, so here is our start file in which we will modify this based on the instruction file that we also downloaded so that we can complete our project. So let's say that I've already completed the project. I've done all the modifications. At that point, you need to re-download the file. So the easiest way to do that is to click on File, to click Save As, and click Download a Copy to your computer. That will allow you to easily upload it in MindTap and receive your grade. So we're going to click Download a Copy and download a copy again. And in my case, I do have Word installed, but if you don't, it doesn't matter because we're just going to save it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to press OK. And then at that point, if the project is completed and I have downloaded a copy, I'm going to go back over to MindTap here and click Continue. And then I'm going to upload my file. Now, it's not actually going to take this because I didn't rename it, and that's part of the instructions. So you can see I didn't name it properly. Now you could change that name on your computer itself, or you can change it in the actual OneDrive, right? So we could do File, Save As, or even better, I can just do File, Rename under Save As, and then change that one to a 2 because you do have to do that as part of your process and press enter. So at that point, then I can download another copy and it'll have the correct name. You could also just go in and manually update the file name. Either way is fine. It doesn't matter if you name it inside of your operating system or inside of Word. Now, I didn't actually complete any of the instructions, so it's not going to be a good grade. But you can see that it is accepting it, and I'm going to submit, and I'm going to get a 0 because I didn't do any work in that. I just wanted to demonstrate what that looks like. So you will see your submission attempts. So when you're ready to submit again, you will just go back to that project again. So I'm going to go back to Blackboard and click on it there because that's probably the easiest way. And it will come up again. And I will hit start again, and you can see I already submitted once, so it will come back to this page. If you need to re-download the files, you can click back and actually go in and re-download the files and then click continue again. But it will come back to this page because it expects that you will submit without needing to re-download the files. And it's important to know that your second and third submission attempts can be done without restarting. You can go in and you can make those modifications and fix the things that it didn't score correctly for you and just resubmit that same file. All right, so that should be all you need to know about working with OneDrive and submitting your file for your Microsoft projects in MindTap.